Android notifies you of system updates, which is useful but can be annoying during important tasks. In this video, we'll show how to disable these update notifications. Part 1. Why turn off the OS update notification on Android? Avoid interruptions, prevent unwanted or buggy updates, save battery and storage, keep apps compatible, reduce notifications. Part 2. Tutorial on how to disable Android OS update notification. Step 1. Turn on the Settings application. First of all, just tap on the icon of Settings on your screen to open the application. Then, in this section, you need to scroll down to find and select About Phone. Step 2. Enable a fake system update. On this page, you need to select System Update and then set to turn on a fake system update. Step 3. Connect to a fake Wi-Fi hotspot. After that, you need to turn on network traffic. Here, your phone is offline. You will have a network traffic alert. Then click OK and link your Android phone to a fake Wi-Fi hotspot. Step 4. Update your Android system to the latest version. Check your Android version and tap Check Update. After a moment, you'll see a System Updated prompt, but with the network off. Your OS hasn't actually updated.